Where is that woman? Come out here! Come out! Where is your wife?
Is there any problem?
She insulted my father. She insulted the king.
What is it I have done to you that you wouldn't let me be in this life?
You insulted my father. He asked me to come and bring you to the palace for punishment.
You lie. You are not taking my woman anywhere. If you're a noble man, report the case to my king. I have a king.
Did you just say I'm not a noble man? Did I hear that rubbish from your mouth?
Don't try that again.
Get him! Get him! Excuse him! Give it to him! Give it to him! Give it to him! What a bad sign. Hi. What have you done? What have you done? This is just a little of what I will do to you when I come back again. You will die like Dick, and your body will not be found for funeral. You will die. You will die. You will die.
What happened to her? What is it? Talk to me.
And he has killed my Ego.
Ijego! Ijego, why? Hey, Ijego, talk to me. Ijego! Ijego, this is me, Nedi. I'm here to see you. Ijego! Ijego! No! 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 Ijego!
No!
Ijego!
What is it? What is it? What happened to her? Is she sick?
No.
Then where is she? Talk to me, Nedi.
I don't know how to say it.
Say it. Is she sick?
Ijego is dead.
What?
No. Prisani has killed Ijego.
Nede came back with the news to me, and I've been so confused and upset. You should go and see the Igwe. This is abominable. It is outrageous.
Weke, my heart bleeds for the death of my daughter, Ijego. But let us go and bury her first. Thereafter, I will ask the gods for what to do next.
Abomination.
Chame. It's alright. We will not just sit down as if nothing happened. They killed their wife. We will have to go to the king and let him know about it. We have to speak with him before we bury him.
I came as soon as I heard it. I mourn with you.
Stop crying. Be a man. Be a man. It has happened. No, their king must know. You have to report to the king.
The king said nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just because he thinks my daughter's life does not matter.
If I were you, I would lay curse on her name.
That is exactly what I am going to do.
Anne.
My husband, I am very, very sure it was Obioma that asked them to fight you.
Can you just sit down?
Spirit of anger and misfortune, I bring my case before you. Let the hand that strangled my daughter be broken and shattered like this egg. Say.
I am sorry for the death of your daughter.
Who are you?
I am the spirit of anger. You have invoked me. Now tell me, what should I do for you?
Oh, let that man that strangled my daughter die the same way.
That I shall do for you. I will use that to repay you for what you did for me before my death.
I think I met you in my dream.
Have you forgotten? Have you suddenly forgotten that all men are spirits whilst they dream? Have you?
I have not forgotten. Yes, I have not.
Oh! For the singular act of yours, I shall repay you by avenging the death of your daughter. I will.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. Can I have some palm wine to drink? I need to quench my taste. Now.
My palm wine is finished.
And I shall wait. I shall wait for you to get more. Go and get more. I need some palm wine. I need to quench my taste. And I need it from you.
For how long will you continue this way? You have cried enough. It is alright.
It's not alright.
Please, let me take you home, please.
No. I want to stay here.
Please.
From sunrise to sundown, I love you.
Can you please? Can you please? Can you please?
Kano, I heard what happened. It is a terrible news. But the gods will pay everyone accordingly.
What a nice prayer. The gods will indeed pay everyone accordingly.
Was she referring to me?
My prince, the news is everywhere. It's everywhere.
Ndo, go home if you don't have anything to say.
I have something to say. I heard that the seer has laid a curse on you.
I said go home if you don't have anything to say.
My prince, I'm telling you the truth, though.
My prince, you mean I should?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I couldn't help you.
My friend, I am sorry for the death of your best friend. Sorry, stop crying.
Anyone who
I heard it was an accident.
Get out of my sight! Before I pour this sand on you!
But
It is your friend who did this to her!
But you can't continue crying.
Get out! Get out! Please. Come back to me! Come back, please!
Did you hear what he said? He just said that the seer has laid a curse on you.
And you stupid. Go and sit down.
I will not sit down.
Woman, you will force me to lay my hands on you.
That is the only thing you know how to do. Is there any other thing? Murderer. Killer.
What did you call me?
I just called you a murderer. Do you want to have another man's blood in your hands because he is ruthless?
I cannot bear this.
I have a plan, and I believe it will work out.
Of what use? Of what use is this life when I have no one? No, tell me, of what use?
You have me. I brought you some food.
Allow me to kill him. Allow me.
Please. Come and eat your food.
So you're not dead. The gods are kind. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? My love, please don't go. My love. My love, wait. My love. My love. My love, please don't go. Please don't go. My love. My love. My love.
Come. I know it is not easy. You have to be strong. You cannot continue like this.
No. At this time, I find it so difficult to be strong. I cannot just be strong.
I know.
I can't.
It's okay.
Diego.
I am sorry. Please, be a man. Please.
Diego.
Are you still angry with me?
Udule, tell me, why will I waste my anger on a man who can only stand for evil? Udule, you are wicked and evil.
She knows something I think she does not need to know. I must do something about it.
Do you but know where you are?
No. How did we get here?
You are in my abode, and I'm in your dreams.
Spirit of anger. Spirit of anger. Spirit of anger. Spirit of anger. You had the same dream. I think we have to do what she said we should do. I do not think I will do it.
Of anger, I call upon you. Do not let the man who killed Ichego see the rising of the next moon. Say...
And that shall come to pass. This is the only chance I have to own him forever.
Obioma has a strange power too. She might be useful. She might be useful.
Obioma, I am telling you this because you are a good person. Don't forget, when he comes, be smart enough to avert the danger.
Thank you very much. I will not forget this, Ezebanye. Why did you invite me here?
I want to forgive me for everything I did to you in the past.
My love, I have forgiven you. I can even marry you if you want.
Obioma, how do you know what is in my mind? Marry me.
Of course I'll marry you, my love.
If you want to send all our go away, I will do it.
No, my love. No. Do not send her away. She will go on her own.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My love, I have something for you.
What is it?
Not so fast.
My love.
I thought I told you not to come looking for me again. You should go home.
I'm going to.
Why are you angry with my mother? She's only a woman jealous of losing her son's love to another woman.
I'm not angry with her. How do you think this will work? Your mother clearly does not like me. The hatred she feels for me is all over her face. It will never stop.
With time, she will love you. When she sees how much I love you.
Can we stop talking about this love? There should be no love. There has never been any love between us.
What are you talking about?
Go home!
Why did you bring me here?
I didn't bring you here! You followed me!
My love.
I have sacrificed my virginity for our love.
I let you have it freely because I love you.
We have love now, don't we?
Will you speak to your mother on my behalf?
Yes. I will talk to her. And if she's still stiff about it, I will take you to Isukmo and we'll live happily.
I want you out of this land.
Stop! No! Stop! No! Wait! Stop! No! Stop it! Stop! Stop! Help!
If you move an inch, your head will no longer be your neck. Down. Hey.
Down.
Move. Down.
Down.
If you move.
Down. Down.
You lost your neck. Is the priest okay?
No more breathing.
Madras! If you move, your head will no longer be your neck. What have you done to my priest? Okay? What have you done?
He's okay. He's dead.
What have you done? My priest!
Hey! Abomination! Hey! Hey! Abomination! Abomination! Hey! 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 Abomination! Hey! 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 Abomination! Hey! What is it? What is after you?
The priest is dead.
Hey! Yeah? What happened? How did it happen?
The priest!
There are many stories. Some say it's Ojugo that stabbed him to death. When they see now the hunter from Anupa that killed him. Hey! Yeah.
Hey! The gods of our land.
Prince! Prince, how can you... Wait! Where is his body? Hey! The prince! The prince! Hey! Ewo! Abomination! Our prince is dead! Hey! Ewo! Our prince is dead, oh! Abomination, oh!
Hey! Oh, Prince Anne is there. The gods cannot be wrong. Kanu must hear this. Hey! This is good news. Kanu! Kanu, come and hear this! Kanu!
Silence cannot make me not to decide either to kill both of you or kill you by hanging. For the last time, who killed my son?
Move. Don't waste the king's time.
Mother.
Move it!
Your Highness.
Woman, ask your daughter who killed my son.
Ojugo, what happened to Bani? Mother, it was a mistake, Your Highness. Please don't kill me, Your Highness. Please don't kill me. It was a mistake. It was a clip. It was a mistake, Your Highness. Mother! Mother! No! Mother!
Now tell me, who killed my son?
Tell me who killed my son! I killed him!
Don't take the blame for what you know nothing about. No! No!
Your Highness, I killed him while trying to defend myself.
No! It was a
Place
mistake.
suitable punishment if you desire.
You killed my son?
It was a mistake.
You killed my son? I'll place a suitable punishment on you. You shall die by hanging. Gas! Take him away!
It was a mistake. It was a mistake.
Move it!
It was a mistake. Please. No. Don't take the blame for what you know nothing about. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. Mother. It was a mistake, Your Highness. So sorry.
I love you. I will come back when I die.
The gods will not let you die. And even if you do, I'll be here, waiting. I'll wait for you till eternity.
Move him! Move!
What do we call this? Eh? I don't even know where to look for him. I'm just confused.
Is he not yet back?
I've not seen him.
Yes. Let me go and look for him.
Oh.
You must be Obiasogu's mother.
Yes.
Our king and Ajimba sent me. Your son is dead.
My son! My son!
He killed our prince, Uban, so he was killed by hanging.
Help! 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 Obiasogu, my son. Oh, I cannot bear this. I will join you in the afterlife. I can't bear this. I can't bear this.
I am sorry about the death of your good friend.
They say I killed my friend, the prince. She must be hanged without her lover.
You are right. Do you want me to stay with you in case you need anything?
That would be nice. See, I'm scared.
You do not have to be scared. I will stay with you. See, I brought palm wine for you. I know you like palm wine.
Thank you.
Should I pour some for you to drink?
I don't have the appetite for this.
No. You have to drink so you can sleep and forget about your friend. Hmm?
Thank you. Please, get me a cup inside.
Let us go inside.
Greed is when you're asking for what you cannot have. Stupidity is when you have it all.
What did I do to you?
Go and ask your ancestors.
I didn't know he was going to die.
It's okay. Stop crying. I did not. You won't cry yourself to death.
He did not even do anything.
It's okay.
My queen, the king has ordered you leave this place at once.
At least they should allow me to mourn my husband now.
He said if you don't leave, he will tell the youth to stone you at Amma to death.
I have to cry. Let us go, my friend. I want to cry.
The hunter from Anukba was killed by hanging today. But when Ani killed Ijego, nothing happened.
The gods have done it their own way. But I don't think that young man killed Ani. Nemesis might have caught up with him.
Things have fallen apart. Totally.
What are you doing here?
Please, I have erred. I know I brought this punishment upon myself. But you can still punish me in your own way. Just please.
Leave my house. Leave my house.
Please.
I said leave my house. Are you deaf?
And who do we have here? Welcome, Your Majesty.
Okay. Since you don't want to leave, will you marry me?
It is only a foolish woman that would say no to a noble man like you. I will marry you.
Welcome home, my heart true.
This is not my home.
This is the land of the spirits. And it's your new home. Follow me. Here we are. Welcome home, my love. I will never let you go into the world again. I will never let you reincarnate.
I want to go back to my wife.
I am your wife. I alone remains your wife. No other. You will stay here with me. Together, I shall give you love. I shall make you happy. We shall be happy. And we will have 7 children. Yes, 7 children together. And then we shall name them after the 7 rivers of Amili.
I do not want to stay here.
Do not make me angry. Do not. Don't. I have endured. I have endured for years. For many years I have endured. And I will not endure again.
No, I don't believe I'm dead. I do not believe I'm dead.
No, my love, you are not dead. You have only left the cruel world to a place where love is being served in plates. I shall give you love. There is peace here. You will be fine with me.
Please.
Yes.
No, please. Keep your peace to yourself. Keep your peace to yourself.
My love. My love. Do you really want to leave me here to wallow in loneliness? I have been angry ever since you turned your back at me. Please, I beg of you. Do not leave me again, please.
I want to go back to my wife. If I remain here, my father's throne will be under threat.
It's too late. You have been buried.
Me? Buried? I don't believe I'm dead. No.
Do you really want to go home?
Yes, I want to go back home.
Then I shall take you home.
Thank you. Thank you. To your house.
This is the only home for the spirits.
But I'm not a spirit. I'm not a spirit.
Do not shout at me. Are you insane? Now sit down. Have a seat. Do not ever anger me to shout at you again. Don't ever. I'll get you something to eat. Here.
What is this?
Take it. Drink it.
Is this not blood?
Yes. It is blood. It is the blood that binds us. Once you drink it, you will never taste for love forever. Drink it, my love. Drink. Drink. Remember what you promised me. You promised that you would never leave me. And you finally did.
I did?
Yes. When the witch doctor said I was a spirit wife.
He did?
Yes. And he cut the ties that bound us. And I was left heartbroken.
Why are you crying?
Because you broke my heart.
I broke your heart? How did I break your heart?
Have you suddenly forgotten how we met? In your dream.
My dream?
Yes.
Okay. What is wrong with you?
I want to go home.
Home? Where is your home?
My home is in you.
What?
Yes. Just leave me. Leave me, let me stay here and cry out my pain. Leave me.
Can I take you home?
Will you be my home till eternity?
If you want me to. But let me take you home.
Take me.
You are very, very sweet.
You are indeed a man.
I've never seen a woman as sweet as you are. Every part of you sparks me on.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Anyway, will you give me the honor to know your beautiful name?
My name lives in your heart.
Is she a human? Anyway. I have it.
That was the day we were bound in spirit. We would have had so many children if that witch doctor did not cut our love short.
I want to rest my head. I feel like sleeping. I want to lie down.
Come on, lie here. You will never reincarnate again. Never. Never. This is just a new phase of our love.
imenya no ba imana chakwanya nuko ezanyi mwe ogonogondue yana risike onesita nondezi wife webia akwimana chife ana mota chife ay apuronya kurunu wano koga goro weta oyimu mebezi wife ezo yime bife dimba inana. Greed is when you're asking for what you cannot have. Stupidity is when you have it all, but still gunning for more. And we for your metaranoa, and where is he and where is he? You boy never taranoa, okay, punyas on your no. You see, whatever no, Bakasanya, no. Akwana watching tea on the city, I wanna know. I am a busy be fair. One never so busy was on no. You know go no. I am a busy be fair. I sing it so busy was on no. You know go no. Oyantique. I got bagu boro no. One day you sign in a sit on no. Muraya guru no one no yana koga no. Afyan yesu no one yana go banana no. Mana chamare will go ye. Mana mamua. Go see a son no. Go see no. If I didn't be mad no. It wasn't a be mono no. Are you mad? As I am mad? As I am